Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And when I got to know about this, Twin Flame connection, so first I was informed about me being a star seed, and then after some time, spirit guides gave me information about that I am in a twin flame connection, and that was given through a spirit guide through ear ringing. So as I heard this information through spirit guide that through ear ringing that I am in a twin flame connection, and I was about to do a research on Google, and then all of a sudden a video got popped up in front of me on YouTube. So this channel was not meant for giving information about this twin flame connection or any other spiritual guidance. It was a sort of a YouTube channel wherein they were making random topics videos. So at times you must have seen, especially in my country, that a lot of people are doing podcast on different topics, and these days especially about I think from corona time, people have getting into spiritual things and all. But then this was kind of a channel wherein they were making videos on random topics. So twin flame was one of that topic, and it was given that information what twin flames are. So there I got to know twin flames are like one soul split it into two bodies. So and then I thought that I think because of this connection, these feelings were not going. Otherwise, I could have removed it long time back. So since I have met this person in those past 10 years, I have only been running away from these feelings and from this person. I did not do any other thing to remove these feelings. So but still I thought maybe as I was able to run and I am not able to run from this person, also not from not able to remove these feelings for this person. So this is only because of this connection. So as in past, I had so many proposals from good masculines, but then I never had feelings for anyone, and now I had feeling that to an extreme level, and I was not able to remove it. So I had this clarity and acceptance. If this was a normal connection, like with normal human being, definitely I could have removed it. But because of this connection, I was not able to run from these feelings. Also not able to forget this person, and 24/7 this person is running into my mind, back of the mind, even though when I am busy with my work. So the moment I got to know about this connection, that it is a sacred twin flame connection, and then I thought of blaming divine, that why did you assign this person in that 10 painful years of journey. So I was about to blame, but I did not blame, because then I started thinking from the beginning, when I was about to go on that 10 years of painful journey. That time divine told me I will be meeting each and every person will be wrong, evil, selfish, mean, and backstabbers, mind gamers. So then I thought this person has all sort of categories. So I was in this acceptance. Yes, it is this twin flame connection, but then this person is actually a wrong person. I mean, all sort of dirty things he's involved into, and also characterless person, mind gamers, toxic, manipulative, cheater. So then I had to take a pause. I did not blame divine. So I was having a self conversation that if I had not found, not met this person, this twin flame in that 10 years of painful journey, what would have changed in this person if I had, met him earlier, or maybe after ending of this game, that, 10 years of journey, what would have changed in this person? So as I met this person, since beginning, within a month's time, I was able to recognize that this person is actually a backstabber, and within few months, I think I got to know the sort of mind games he plays, the kind of dirty things he's involved into, and also stays on into multiple relationships. So also this person is such a jealous person who is jealous of my own career and success. And when I became his immediate neighbor, wherein I already knew that this person is also jealous of his own brother's success. So while working with him, I saw one thing he was doing. He kept on showing his, brother's profile and his pictures to entire department. And whenever somebody new was coming, always showing, what his brother's, is into. So his younger brother is actually into modeling and acting. So he was taking, a sort of attention by showing that, he comes from a family who has a celebrity in his family. So he should also get, that sort of attention and priority from other people, wherein he was not getting attention. So he kept on using dirty, shittiest mind games to gather attention of other people. But then there was something fishy when I okay, so one day we all were sitting in group, and he was showing this to the entire group. I was also there. Then only I got to know about his brother. So there I did a research on social media. I never found any single picture wherein these two brothers were having together, wherein they were posting pictures of other family members, but there was not even a single picture wherein these both boys were together. So there I realized this person is actually jealous from his own brother's success. So by that time I was already in acceptance that he is actually jealous of from his own sibling. And now this was not something new I was experiencing. I have already seen this in my surroundings, wherein the real siblings are envious of their success, beauty, and also jealous. So he was not something new which I got to know about him, but still I had a bit of problem in digesting this truth. So when I became his immediate neighbor, there I saw that sort of a jealousy he has towards his own real brother. So now, having these conversations, I was also thinking, what would have changed if I could have met this person after ending of these 10 painful years of journey, or maybe before that. Does his character will change, or his mind games will stop, or he will stop manipulating people, or he will stop coming into relationship just for the money and fame. So I recognize this person is actually like this since very young age, probably when he was a teenage. And a person who is jealous, envious of others' success, and who is a backstabber, they remain in this energy throughout their life. They never change. And this was one thing what divine wanted to show me, because I used to kept on observing these people into my own surroundings during my childhood, wherein I saw people who were backstabbing, gossiping, saying mean, selfish thing to people, also playing mind games, but at the same time they were pretending no, they have changed. So that was one thing I wanted to check, whether, and I mean, what is the reality of when people pretend they have changed, wherein I knew because of my power wrong people never change, but yes, they kept on pretending so that you again trust on them, and then they backstab you even harder. Also, while having this self conversation about this person, I actually remembered my divine dictionary. So I have already shared a separate video on a divine dictionary. If you have skipped that video, you can go ahead and check that video again. What divine has taught me, that things never ignore and never allow such kind of person. It is clearly mentioned. Then I remember divine has already told me that never allow or accept such kind of people in your life. So when I was about to go ahead on that 10 years of painful journey, that time divine repeated one particular statement twice before I was about to leave the house. So divine said never get trapped on the name of any connection or any relationship title. So this was one statement which divine actually repeated, wherein we already had a long discussion about this particular journey. Since my childhood, I have been seeing into my surroundings that humans are deeply trapped by the titles and the connections of the relationships. They do not trust a person, they trust their connections and the titles. Like if I talk about a connection with a mother is the heaviest title in all sort of human relationships. And especially in my country, I have heard this, from almost everybody, that a mother can never be evil. A mother can never do wrong thing to their own child. But, people or children who understands, who they have karmic parents, especially not just karmic parents, who have narcissistic parents. So they know that, they have that heavier, biggest, title in the world of being a mother. So they know, how much benefits they get by having such title in their life. And that's why they like to use and manipulate behind these titles. They try to hide all sort of their evil activities. So in my life, I have seen so many evil women, and especially the extremist, narcissistic, toxic evil women I have seen, who knew that, they have this bigger title. And I think I've already shared one of the experience wherein I tried ending my life, because of a woman who was a relative, and she used that, a title to prove me wrong in other people's eyes, that, a mother can never do that thing. So everybody believed, yeah, mother can never do wrong thing to their own children. And because she did a false swear, and that their people believed on her. And I was like, yeah, I have seen such things. So I remember maybe divine was trying to teach me that never be influenced or trapped under the name of these relationship titles, because all sort of wrong people know what sort of benefit and they have because of having such titles in their human life. And for all wrong evil humans, they know that how they can use and misuse these titles, and can remain a clean chit in front of the public eye, can maintain a good image, that they are good people, while doing all sort of evil and shittiest activity behind the or curtains behind the wall inside their house, wherein only a person who is going through a lot through that person, they will know what they have gone through in their life, but rest of the people will believe that the person who has not done anything, they are actually the defaulters. And for wrong, selfish, mean people, all sort of relationship titles and connections are big opportunity to again backstab them, and again use them, manipulate them, trick them, and keep them stuck forever. So they know what sort of benefits a title holds. So as I have always been aware, and I have been kept on taught by a divine that never get trapped into these things. So that was such a big problem for my own people in my life when I was dealing with elder women's. So no sort of manipulation or trickery was working on me, and they were so pissed off why any sort of manipulation do not work on this person, wherein there all sort of mind games and other manipulation tactics were working on all sort of people, on younger people, also on people who were elder than them, also of their own age. They were getting influenced by their whatever the tactics they were using, but it was never working on me. And as I had this question while before going on this 10 years of journey, that do wrong people ever change? And that's what I wanted to confirm, and that was the reason I gave 10 years of time. So when I met this twin flame, who has been this cheater, manipulator, mind gamer, narcissistic, toxic person, so 10 years was more than enough to have such evidences, wherein I have been seeing all sort of red flags and have been aware about his ill intentions towards me. So now, as I knew this person since 10 years, and he has been continuously trying different things to destroy me on all level, especially mental, emotional level, and also did so many traps by involving other common friends to destroy my finances. So now what will change if he gets to know about this spiritual connection? So a wrong person never changes, and those 10 years time was more than enough to know his his reality, that such a shittiest dirty person he is. So divine already told me before going on this journey that wrong humans are all about having this another level of opportunity when they get to know that other person has a lot of value for a relationship and for connection. So they will again use another level of tactics, or pretend they are actually serious, which I have been continuously seeing in my life through different sort of people. So it was not something I knew, but yes, I saw somebody whom I have always been supporting. I always had good intentions, I always wanted to protect him, but he has been such a shittiest person. He did a lot of shittiest thing to destroy me. So as I knew this person since very long time, those 10 years of journey, that this person has a criteria. He is ready to get married, but his first criteria that female should be from a wealthy background. Another thing he was looking for, that a female should be kind of loser kind of female, who should be ready to accept cheating while even being in a relationship, also after marriage. So he was very clear that he will stay in multiple relationships even after marriage, and I am not that kind of person who does wrong to others, and I will also not accept such thing in my life, because I do not do those things. So his another criteria was he was looking for a loser kind of female who has no self-respect, and he was so sure of his mind games, the way he tricks others and plays mind games. He can always convince a person to accept his all sort of shittiest behavior, characterless person in his life even after marriage. So he was very clear that he is going to remain like this even after marriage. So the kind of relationship he had always, 3% I knew that he always had been in such relationships wherein a person who would like to be, mentally, emotionally weak, also has no self-respect for themselves, and such kind of people can always be, tricked easily, can be manipulated easily. So he had always been in a relationship with such kind of people, who was a frameless person who liked to be shoe for his feet and can always be used in so many ways, whether financially or for fame or for some other kind of benefits. And this twin flame always knew about me that I am not that kind of person. I can never be, tricked or manipulated. But yeah, he had that sort of, misunderstanding that, his mind games were working on me. And that was the one thing he continued doing, because as it was my commitment to divine for 10 years, I will keep on pretending, yes, their games are working on me. So as he knew that I cannot be controlled, but he thought, his mind games can work on me, and he has been such a big hater and jealous person, from my physical beauty and from my success. So that's why he continued, playing these kind of tricks, and also by involving a lot of people who were common friends. So he has always been scared of me, that I do not accept or allow wrong people in my life. Also, he saw when I showed a place to that general manager who was a characterless person. Another thing, I had fight with that verbal fight with those 4 boys and the 2 admin managers. So he knew that I would not spare him if I get to know any of his shittiest thing. But yes, as it was part of my game, that 10 years of journey, that I had to pretend, so just to see whether these wrong people ever change or not, or they kept on doing backstabbing and doing wrong things till the time they think that you are an emotional fool. So that's what he thought, his games are working on me because I'm an emotional fool. I do not understand his tricks and all. So now I was feeling happy that I met this shittiest person during that 10 years of journey. Because what if I could have met this person after completing this 10 years of 10 years of time, unnecessary, I could have wasted maybe several years of mine. So if you are a real twin flame, you think since how many years you are stuck on such kind of people and have wasted precious time of your life. So I was somehow feeling that I met this person during this time, and I am able to going to release him forever. Also, I have never been part of 3D matrix and false hope. So I have earlier talked about false hope. If you have listened all of my previous videos, what is false hope, I will make a separate video on this. So I was clear, I have never been part of false hope, so wherein people kept on deceiving you, backstabbing you, and the moment you give them either evidences, this is evidences of your shit which you have been doing since very long time. So there are 2 outcomes: either they will accept and run away from your life, or they will start acting, no, please forgive me or give me another chance. I can definitely try to try to make changes in their behavior or in the or in their character, wherein this is actually a false hope. A wrong person never changes. So I was clear on this, and now I was about to take my decision, because divine immediately asked me to fulfill my commitment when I got to know about this twin flame connection. So now I took it as a divine test, because as I never had feelings for anyone, and I was able to remove everybody from my life who were wrong. Now it was a divine test, like what would you do when you have a feeling for a wrong person? Would you still want to be with that person and accept to go through hell? And when you start going through hell, do you take the responsibility that you had option to move forward in your life with somebody else who are who is actually good person? But no, I have always seen in so many cases wherein females are aware that person is actually a characterless person, mind gamer, manipulates others, still they want to be with that person. And when they start experiencing hell, then they start blaming divine or the society and the other person, but they never take the responsibility that they have made a wrong choice. So this was my divine test. When I'm aware about somebody who is shittiest person, I would never accept that person, and I would never allow. And that's what divine taught me: never allow and accept such kind of people in your life. So I considered it as a divine test, and then I did not blame divine. And understand the difference between a karmic feminine traits and a divine feminine. So karmic feminines are always ready to snatch other person's maybe sort of their own rights in terms of money or relationships or maybe some things, wherein only karmic feminine will try to break a relationship behind the title of this spiritual connection. Remember, a divine feminine has a self-respect, and would never accept cheating or any kind of bad behavior in a relationship, wherein a loser kind of feminine, which is actually a karmic feminine, who accepts cheating and other and does all sort of wrong things. So the person he was in a relationship, she was already aware that this person is actually a playboy. Apart from this, family of this female was completely aware this person is a playboy, but everybody was wanting this person to make her married to that person, to that twin flame. So I was happy for this. He actually going to marry is his exact match, who is also like him, karmic feminine. So I was actually happy that she matches exact energy of this twin flame. So by remembering all these things, I never blame divine for making this person meet me in during those 10 years of journey. And I was happy also seeing a justice in my life. The kind of this twin flame personality is actually going to marry a same kind of female who matches exact his characteristics, also mind games and other sort of manipulation. Because I was doing study about this karmic feminine also parallelly. The moment I got to know about having those evidences, when I asked from the divine, when he showed a fake breakup on social media, I have to share so many conversations with divine about this twin flame, and lot many other secrets I have to reveal about this journey. So keep listening. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.